How to remove linked devices from WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove linked devices from WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove linked devices from WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch your WhatsApp Messenger application here. And once you launch the WhatsApp Messenger app, you will see this type of interface where if you think and you have linked other computer devices or another phone to your WhatsApp account, and if you'd like to remove them, you have to tap the three dots option from the top right hand side and then just go to the option known as linked devices. Once you go to linked devices, here you will be able to see a list of devices that are currently linked to your WhatsApp ID. So you can select a certain device that you don't recognize, or maybe you would like to remove it even after you recognize them. You can just tap the logout option here and then those devices will get successfully removed. This way you can remove linked devices from WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.